Welcome back. Today we are unboxing higher front load washing machine, 7 kg capacity. Comes with a 5-star rating. Fully automatic front load washing machine. Customer care service center number January 2023 model. MRP 46,500. Let's go unboxing. Comes with a tray at the bottom for the rats and other very smooth knobs, synthetic mix, allergen, baby care, daily wash, quick wash, jeans, sportswear. Looks premium quality. Inverter also mentioned. Quick reference guide. Please go through the reference guide. QR code for the installation updates. Beautiful knob. Good quality glass. Drum. Stainless steel drum. Good quality gasket. Outlet hose. Drain hose. Please read the instructions. You can see the outlet hose pipe. Three-pin power adapter. Metal back. Get it installed with a certified technician. Do not open the bolts or install it yourself. Overall, a good buy, under 32,000 available in the retail market. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.